if you're out in the sun all the time, you need to include this in your skincare routine at least once a week or twice a week. You need to include it. It's gonna help you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is actually a highly requested video. Today we're going to be talking about this bad boy, aloe vera gel. I'm going to be spilling the tea on the benefits of aloe vera gel, how I use aloe vera gel, how you can use aloe vera gel. You guys have been asking me about how I use this product, and I'm here today to spill the tea. I waited till I use this product up until this point before coming to tell you all that I've experienced using this product. I'm going to be talking about the benefits of this product, how you can use this product, how I use this product as well. I'm also going to be talking about how to clear sunburn, hyperpigmentation. Stay tuned. This video is going to be super packed. Let's talk about something that almost all of us experience. Sometimes from stress, maybe you're stressed or you're going out a lot in the sun, you start to notice that your skin might be getting dark. Some areas of your skin are getting dark, your face, even your skin as well might actually also be getting dark. And the first thing that we do sometimes is to start looking for lightening products. I want to get lighter, I'm getting dark. But what you should do is to find out, why is this happening? This happened to me recently, and it was because I was out in the sun more than usual. And sometimes your skin's production of more melanin is just your skin trying to protect itself from the sun. What I would advise you should do at that point is, instead of rushing to get lightening products, you need to start exfoliating, and exfoliating your skin maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Depends on the sensitivity of your skin. Do you understand? If your skin is quite sensitive, you can do twice a week. If not, 3 times a week is also okay for you. And if your skin is very sensitive, like your face, you don't necessarily need to use scrubs on your skin. You can use chemical exfoliants. They are also as effective as scrubs. These are things that you can do. And one also very important thing you should do is to use your sunscreen. I cannot reiterate the importance of sunscreen enough. I cannot emphasize this enough. Sunscreen is so important, because even when you exfoliate your skin and you're still going out in the sun without sunscreen, do you understand? You're not doing anything. Even when you exfoliate and get rid of dead cells on your skin and you don't use sunscreen, you're not protecting your skin's barrier, you're not protecting your skin. So always make sure you use, apply and reapply your sunscreen. This is one that is very important as well. It's not just applying your sunscreen 20 minutes before you leave the house. You need to reapply your sunscreen as well every 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, to make it effective. Since you're out in the sun, since you're out of your house, try reapplying your sunscreen. I left a video about affordable sunscreen. Maybe you're looking for something affordable that you can use even all over your body. I'm going to tag that video here or in the description box, so you can also check it out. Now let's talk about the benefits of this bad boy here, aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel I'm going to be reviewing is the Disaar Beauty skincare aloe vera gel soothing and moisturizing gel. 99% soothing, conditioning after sun repair. Yeah, I hope you can see it properly. I'm going to leave the name of this product in the description box as well. Well, before I talk about how I use this product, I'm going to be talking about some of the benefits of aloe vera gel. Let me just give you just a few. The first one I'll tell you about is a sunburn. If you're dealing with sunburn, or you're out in the sun all of the time and you get this pepperish feeling, this is your go boy. This product is going to help you. It's so soothing. Once you apply it on your skin, it has anti-inflammatory properties that are going to help you soothe your sunburn, cool it down, and reverse some of it. And I'll also say, if you're looking for like a fast action product, maybe you already have the signs of sunburn on your skin and you're looking for a product that you can just apply and the next day you're going to get results, this is not the product for you. This is a product, it's a natural natural remedy. You have to, use it judiciously and continuously to get the effect. But if maybe you go out in the sun and you come back with a burning sensation on your face, this product, once you apply it, you're going to get this cooling effect. So it has anti-inflammatory properties, can help with sunburn and even burns in general. Do you understand? Maybe you burnt yourself. This product has anti-inflammatory properties. It has a cooling effect. It's gonna help you with that. If you're out in the sun all the time, you need to include this in your skincare routine at least once a week or twice a week. You need to include it. It's gonna help you. I'm gonna show you how to use it as well. And another thing it helps for is acne. It has antibacterial properties, anti-inflammatory properties. There are so many people that use it for acne. I'm not really prone to acne, so yeah, but some people, I know a lot of people that actually use the raw plant. I don't really use that because I know Aloe Vera Gel has a lot of variants. Some are, quite stronger than the other. I feel this is safer, but if you use that and it works for you, it's also fine. Do you understand? So yeah, it has antibacterial properties. It's very moisturizing. So aside from helping you with your acne, it can help with the prevention of acne as well because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This is a natural, very affordable remedy for a lot of things, and I don't think you should sleep on it. You shouldn't be sleeping on aloe vera gel. You shouldn't. It should be part of your skincare routine, especially if you want to pamper yourself. Another benefit is that it helps with dry skin. If you dermaplane, like you shave your face, this is the product you can apply on your face before doing that. If you're dealing with dry skin as well, it has really great moisturizing effect. It can moisturize your skin. Do you understand? It has really great moisturizing effect, and you stop dealing with dry skin. It works for that. Another thing it does is to reduce the appearance of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, because of the moisturizing effect, because it also helps in the production of collagen as well. That is going to aid skin elasticity. It will help with the signs of aging as well. So jump on it, baby. Jump on this product. If you haven't been using it, I'm here to tell you that you need to include it in your skincare routine. One other thing it helps, and this one is very, very, very important and nice, is darkness and puffiness around the eyes. I know eye products, skin patch around the eyes, and eye creams are quite pricey. This is an affordable remedy that you can use. It has, it helps the skin produce more collagen, which is going to help the elasticity of that. Is very soothing, so it can help with puffiness, do you understand, around the eyes. These are just a few benefits of aloe vera gel. I can't really talk about all of it. I'm just pointing out a few in this video, just to let you know that you have to jump on this product as quickly as possible. See how far it has gone down, and it's quite affordable. How much did I buy this product? It's between 3,000 4,000 thereabouts, so it's very affordable, and you have quite a lot of products in here. And it's not just on your face. Sometimes when you want to pamper yourself, you can use it on your entire skin. Let me show you how I use this product. The first thing I do is to wash my face, which I did before making this video. You have to wash your face at first, and after doing that, I apply some of this gel. Let me do that for you. I like to show you stuff. So you just apply some of this gel on your skin, and immediately it has such a cooling, relaxing effect. Do you understand? You don't understand. If you've not been using this product, you won't understand. So if you haven't been using it, jump on it. Don't forget around your eyes. So you need to apply it also around your eyes as well, and down to your neck. So what I do is I just apply it on my face or on the whole of my skin when I want to do that, and leave it for after washing my face. I wash my face with my regular face wash. I apply a generous amount of this on my skin and let it sit on my skin for 20 to 30 minutes. Do you understand? Depending on how I feel, how much time I have, on my hands at that time. So I just allow it sit on my face for 20 to 30 minutes, and after that I just rinse it off with just water. I rinse off with just water, not with my face wash, not with any washing products. I just wash off, and I use my moisturizer. I don't use any other thing with active. Do you understand? I like to do this at night most times because that's when I have enough time, because I'm relaxed. I just do it and use my moisturizer on my face. Whenever I use this, I don't use any actives on my face, but at night I just allow it penetrate into my skin for mostly 20-25 minutes thereabout. I wash off with just water, and then I apply my moisturizer on my face, and that's it. That is just it. That's how I use this product, and it works. And you can see it has just this immediate glow on your face. Once you use it, you're glowing. It's so moisturizing, it's so cooling. It has this cooling effect. So I'm just gonna leave this in for a few minutes, and then I'll come back once I wash off. I just washed my face. I love to air dry most times to avoid germs and all of that. Then my skin feels so soft, supple. Then I use my moisturizer, and my moisturizer is the simple replenishing rich moisturizer. I've been using it. I have no complaints. So rub. And you can already tell. Let me just let that sit in a bit. Using this most times to dry your products allows your skin absorb it. Do you understand? So yeah, you guys, you can already see how scrumptious, supple, sweet, nice, plump this makes my skin. And I do this at least once or twice a week, and it has really helped me. Even the darkness, because I've been out in the sun recently a lot. That's why I talked about it. It really helps. Sometimes when you even come back from work, you can actually do it and relax. It's just going to help you take away some of the pepperishness of the sun away from your skin. It's really a great product, and I think you should include it in your skincare routine. So guys, if you still have some questions, or you have something that you need me to talk about, let me know in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.